everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for September 20th through September 27th, I think is the date. But yeah, there is some okay deals and there's some not the greatest deals, and there's pretty much the same repeater deals. If you guys have been couponing for a long time, you know these deals usually repeat themselves. Some of them could repeat themselves over the next couple weeks. Some of them could repeat themselves over the next 6 months. But just giving you guys a heads up. So here we got the deals of the week. They got the Downy and Tide for $2.99. You want to buy 3 of them, you would pay $8.97. But then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase 3 of them. So basically it comes up to be $5.97 or just $1.99 a piece. Scott's paper towels, again, buy one get one 50% off. So basically you guys would pay $7.50 for 2 of them. You got Fruity Pebbles and Honey Bunches of Oats for $1.99. Trust me, it's going to be on sale for 2 for $10. We are getting 3 off of 2 coupons, so you guys would want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $7. But then you guys will get a $3 register reward, making them $4 or just $2 a piece. And then we have the treat of the week and the Hershey's chocolate. They're going to be $1.99. And then it looks like we have $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet possibly, or it's going to be a digital coupon. So you guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $2.98 or get them for $1.49. So great time to start saving up for candy if your area does have Halloween. Okay. Now we're going to the beauty products. They got the 10 times everyday points. So every time you spend $1, you guys get 10 points for every $1 that you spend when you spend over 20 bucks. They got the Arm & Hammer for $3.49. There's going to be $1 off digital coupon, making them $2.49. The nice bags, again, are buy one, get 2 free. So you guys would basically pay $2.79 for 3 of them. They basically come out to be 93 cents. That deal happens every other week. So in case you guys need to get that. Persil laundry detergent is $4.99. It looks like there's going to be a $2 off coupon, plus we are getting coupons in our inserts, making them just $2.99. You're going to start seeing the toys for Christmas. I started seeing all that stuff coming out. Right now they're buy 2 at $6.99, you get 1 free. So in case you guys need to start saving up for some toys, definitely go ahead and do it. Right now is a good time to start, looking at them, checking them out. Here we got a lot of food deals. Nothing's really popping out. They got candy bars for 69 cents. Swedish Fish Twizzlers, 2 for $4. Yeah, more food deals. Nothing, like I said, popping out. Cheez-Its and Pringles are going to be $1.99. There's going to be a 50-cent off coupon, making them $1.49. And then we got some other candy bars, Orbits. Yeah, nothing really popping out for food deals. Then we got the Renews-Its on sale. They are 89 cents, and we are getting a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon. So most likely that coupon will only take 1 off, but just be prepared if you guys do that deal to check your digitals. But we are getting inserts for that too. So you guys want to buy 4 of them or buy 6 of them. You would pay $3.56 after using that coupon, but then you can submit a $1 rebate. I don't know if you can do that deal twice. I didn't check, but I know there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so you guys can get them for $2.56 or 42 cents a piece. We got Tide for $11.99 with a $2 off coupon. All and Snuggle is buy one get 1 free. They got the nice garbage bags 2 for 10. I think that's a pretty good deal when they do have that. If you guys need them aluminum foil or paper plates, they are 99 cents. And then we got Puffs tissues, $1.24 with a 25-cent off digital coupon, making them 99 cents. They got Bic pens, buy one get one 50% off, and then we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. They are doing the gift card deal again for Hulu, which is a $25 minimum, and I don't know the other 3, but you guys basically just buy 2 gift cards of those 4 and you'll get a $10 gift card. I usually do that when they do Netflix, but it's up to you guys if you need to stock up on any of those gift cards. Good time to get that stuff if you plan on shopping at those places for Christmas. You guys can always do that. They got some more toys on sale, so we're going to see a lot of toy deals over the next couple months. Suave and Dove are buy one get one 50% off, and then there's a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. There might be some deals on Ibotta. I'm not sure what ends by the time they have that. Nexus is I don't know, usually they're like $19.99 or something like that, but there's gonna be a $5 off coupon, and then when you guys spend $20 or more, you'll get 10,000 points. So most likely you have to buy 2 of them to do that deal. They got the Crest toothpaste. Now this is funny. It says $3 with card or $2 with card and a $1 off coupon. So it looks like it's gonna be $3 on sale. You got a $1 off coupon. Then there's gonna be a $4 register reward. So depends on what the digital coupon is. They might be for $1 for both of them. If we have a better digital coupon, most likely they will be free. Colgate is $2.99. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that's happening. You guys would pay $1.98. You get a $2 register reward, making them absolutely free. So if you need to do that, they have the Gillette or King C Gillette. If you spend $20 more, you get 10,000 points. Yeah. Vitamins, all that stuff. Usually all this stuff is always the same price. Nothing really special popping up. And that is it. That is the ad. So there's some decent deals. Nothing that's really popping out. Not a lot of point deals, but there is a lot of register reward deals. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you guys all on Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.